Okay, so this is an example of multiple regression analysis. We have here demand for rose, price of rose, income, and price of sunflower. So first, we need to determine which is the dependent variable and the independent variables. So, syempre, yung demand natin would still be the dependent variable, and now we have three independent variables: the price of rose, which can be represented by x1, income, x2, and price of sunflower, x3. Okay, so just recall the microeconomic theories regarding the effects of these different variables or factors to our demand. Okay, so now we run our regression analysis. Again, data, then look for regression, and then select your Y range. So again, you need to select all of this, and then select your X range. So in this case, pwede na natin i-highlight silang tatlo ng sabay-sabay. Make sure to check the labels and then output range. Pili lang tayo dito sa baba kung saan niya ilalabas yung summary output. Then, okay. So we have here our summary output. We need to drag the columns to show yung values niya, yung buong values. So again, we need to highlight the coefficients, standard error, t-stat, and p-value. And then r squared, and then significance of f. Since ito na, we can write now our regression equation. So y equals, first write is the intercept, so 13354.60. So remember, we will just consider two decimal points, and then minus kasi negative yung coefficient ni x1, 3628.19 x1, huwag kakalimutan yung variable, and then minus ulit 19.2540 x2, and then yung last coefficient is positive, so plus 2633.75 x. Oh, eto pala, since two decimal points lang, so 19.25. Okay, next is to write the standard error. So, eto naman na siya. Tatapat lang natin sa bawat coefficient dito sa equation natin. So, for the intercept, the standard error is 6485.4190. And then for x1, 635.6282. And then for x2, 30.6946. And then for x3, 101.6367. Okay, so let's check for 190.635.6282, 30.6946, and then 1012.6367. Now is the t-stat, so 2.0591, and then negative 5.7080, and then negative 0.6273, and then 2.6009. Okay, so let's check 2.0592. Ito pala to. So, 2. And then negative 5.7080, negative 2.6273 and then 2.6009. Okay, now let's check the significance of the t-star of our intercept x1, x2, and x3 based on our p-value. So, makikita natin dito na yung sa intercept, yung p-value, yung t-stat for the intercept is 0.06, which is greater than 0.05. Therefore, ns siya, not significant. Next, so 9.78845, pero meron tayong exponent dito raised to negative 5. So, our decimal point will move to the left 5 times. Therefore, it will be less than 0.05. So, significant siya. And then, next is 0.5. So, not significant. Greater than 0.05. And then, we have here 0.02, which is less than 0.05, therefore significant siya. Okay, so we have two significant and two non-significant. Next, what is our R square? R square is 77.79%. Is it significant? So, base dito, yes, significant siya. Okay? So, how will we interpret it? So, 77.79% of the variation in the demand for rose is explained by the price of rose, income, and price of sunflower. So, ito yung mga given natin. Yung base siya dito. Demand for rose, price of rose, income, and price of sunflower. Okay. So, i-copy lang natin to so that we can answer yung questions dito sa taas. So, the first question is, what is the demand function? So, eto na, na-answeran na natin. Okay, then what will happen with the demand if there is 1 peso increase in the price of rose set bar? So, remember set bar, ceteris paribus, or holding other things constant. Since dito madami tayong dependent variable, so we need to use set bar. Kung ano yung given change, yun lang i-consider natin. So, price of rose is represented by x1. So, ano raw mangyayari if there's 1 peso increase? So, the demand will, so based dito sa sign and coefficient ni x1, magkakaroon ng decrease. So, the demand will decrease by 3628 units. So, in-round off na natin siya sa whole number since we are talking about rows. So, wala naman 0.19 na rows. So, yung decrease, base siya dito sa sign na minus. And then, yung 3628 is based from the coefficient of x1. Next, what will happen to the demand if the income increases by 1 peso? Okay? So, yung income natin is our x2. So, tingnan natin tong part na to. So, the demand will, base sa sign niya, minus, increase by, okay, so we have here 19.25. We will round it to 19 minutes. Okay, so, yung decrease, base siya dito sa sign dito. And then, yung 19 dun sa coefficient x2. Ni-round off natin siya into whole number since we are talking about rows. And then, yung last question is, what will happen to the demand if the price of sunflower increases by 1 peso? So, the price of sunflower is represented by x3. So, the demand will, so based sa sign dito, increase by 2633 units. So, again, we round off natin 2633.75 into 2633. before units. Okay, so that's how we do the multiple linear regression. You just need to review yung mga na-discuss natin sa microeconomics theory in order to know if the signs from the summary output ng regression analysis natin is tama. Kung positive ba talaga siya or negative. Okay?